Okay, we're inside PicMaker, PICMAKER.com, www.picmaker.com, so check it out. And you can play this little video here that's right here at the top to get more ideas. There's over 700 templates of the actual thumbnails that you can use, or you can create your own. We already went through why you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, and it just reinstates that. Okay, there's some templates, so get yours for free. So what they say here, how to make a thumbnail. We just want to upload a photo, burn the background, stickify, so you want to add that nice little white or whatever color you want around the image, which is, you see a lot on YouTube right now. And there's how it looks, kind of makes the image pop out. And then you add a cool background, and there you go. The only problem is this is a beta version. So if we hop over here, we see up here it says beta. And what happens is it doesn't work as slick as you want for backgrounds and things like that. So I'll show you a workaround. And right now I've grabbed this template. It's a custom template I made myself for a client, but you just got the gradient background, and I just took ideas off something else in all the like I show you here, where there's all these and 700 more. I don't know if you've seen these yet. Let me just pause this for a second. Yeah, so you can just press this little pre-built tab here. It shows you all of them, or you can pick up any one you want. So let's just go motivational for a minute here and check it out. So like I say, this is beta. So the thing with beta, they may put it to a paid service in the future, who knows, but right now it's free, so we can't complain. But with the beta, things are slow and something they don't work as they say. All pre-builds. There's a lot of them, so sometimes that can be overwhelming, so you just got to pick something you like and start there. Let's go down. I like this one, I've used that before, or the idea of that. And you see it's a little bit slow, but still cool. If you want one, you would just press on that, it'll bring it over to the other side, right? And then you can take it from there. And to look around, they have properties, so you can add stickers, icons, frames, the usual stuff, like in Canva and other places, right? Backgrounds. There's your gradient background you can make yourself, like I did here. You can just grab one and then change it a little bit, or keep it the same. They look cool. I like gradients better, but sometimes a straight color works better, or a custom color. Here's some text. You can add it here, or you can add the pre-done text, which looks cool too. So again, up to you with all that. And then you have your upload, so you can upload your own photo. And they've got tons of photos if you look at that, which is cool. And these are all, I assume, but they're all like from royalty-free images. Okay, so right now I want a photo. So I would say I want a photo of something like, okay, so where do you find the photo you want? You just have to go through like all these photos, which is a bit annoying, because I don't see anywhere where you can just type in what photo you want. If we go back here, nothing there. What does it say here? Save transparent. No, maybe check the tutorial to see if there is a way to do that. But for now, what I'll do is I'll go here to my favorite guy, which is called Pixabay. And I'm looking for something with like an age, or let's just try that first in images. We'll see what they bring up. Okay, so this is a good one here. So we'll download that and check the licenses. Most of these are free for commercial use, no attribution required. So you want to download that. And I would suggest, I usually download it here. Unless you want a bigger one, you can download it for yourself, right? We'll get that there. There she is. Okay, I've downloaded it already. So we want to go back here and we want to get it. So let's take this over here. Okay, so now we want to take the background off. So if you read what they're telling you, you crop it. So we'll do that so we don't have as much background to take off. We'll grab that, we'll say done. Okay, that wasn't too slow. Okay, background removal. So it says you have selected auto background, right? Takes more than 50 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Do you wish to continue? We can go to manual. So let's try first with the auto. Identifying background. Identifying background. Okay, as you see, it's taking a while. So we'll pause the video. Okay, so they're telling us it takes a long time. So here's what it did. So I don't know if we can go back on that because that's obviously no good. So I've tried this a few times and I find that it doesn't work great. So we'll try our manual editing. Grab our little guy. There's the size of the brush we want. Looks like it's small. Let's see if we can get a larger. It looks even smaller. So we're gonna go to there, see what we got. Okay, it's a little bit bigger. So I don't know if you ever used these in Photoshop before and stuff, but it's always not easy just to use the mouse to draw. That's why you hope the auto one works a lot better than it says it's gonna do. I want to go down a little bit for around the face here so we don't take too much off. Okay. Yeah, so we go on around here to make it a little smaller at first. Get it down. Try to fix this hair up top. This is slow, but compared to a few years back, it's excellent anyway. Go back here again, try to take this on a little bit better. There goes that slipping mouse again. Okay, so say we're done. See what it looks like. So it's not too bad. Background seems to be pretty good. Now a lot of the times it doesn't work really well like the first time on the auto, and you got to screw around if you're not into doing that. What I would suggest is I go to this place called remove background. So it's remove.bg, so www.remove.bg, and I'll put all these URLs in below somewhere. And it says, so I'll select that photo. So I've downloaded it already, remember, I'll select it and then see what we get. So if we jump in here, did it a couple times here, look at how fast that is and look at how good it is. So let's just do this again to show you. Okay, so we're just going to select a photo. 100% done without image. Boom. How does that look? Awesome, right? You can edit it more, whatever you want to do, or download it. All right, perfect. Now we'll head back over here. We'll delete this guy, or actually I'll leave that there for a second. You can see the difference. Give it a click. Okay, is it much better? Lots better. Look at the lines across the top and everything, right? So we'll get rid of this one. Delete it. Thank you. Okay, so much better, right? And then we'll do the little sticker guy. So inner stroke would be inner there. Let's change this because she's black, so obviously you can't see the black. That would be inner. Outer would be going out, so you don't take as much as the image off. Let's make it a little thicker. There's good. Don't forget it's going for a thumbnail, so you don't want to make it too thin. What do you think? Bigger. Put it here. Right click here. back. Save that for a minute because she's running slow. Okay, so I took it to this point so you don't have to wait around. So I'm doing all this stuff. So you see the picture is big to put on here and you can't get the under if you send it back. It's a big haggle. So what we're going to do here is I'll move this over and this thing. And just to see what we got here, we can maybe take this in a little bit this way. Yeah, about there. Can add that over a bit. Not wrong ones. See all these little handles, and there's that one again, so get rid of that. Let's go. Grab that. Now it won't let us grab the underneath, so we're gonna move it around. And that's why I already did all this before to show you. Okay. And then you gotta grab this guy, or girl, lady, or whatever back. That looks like a little white at the top. Looks good. Maybe not for the eye. Okay. And then we'll save that. Alright, so I jumped ahead again so you don't have to see all that. I saved it up here. Well, it's saving now. It takes forever to do, but let's do a preview, see what it looks like here. Okay, so it gives you, it's nice because look at that, it gives you all small. Does that show up enough, right? You get a good idea when it's that small, so it's beside a, like this would be the main video or whatever, so just videos are here, what's coming up next. So it seems to pop out pretty good. Why do some people age faster than others? So this is for another client. Okay, so let's just shut that down. Looking good. So now we would just download that. Okay, so I just downloaded it here. So there's what it looks like. And it's in the size you want for throwing it up on YouTube. So there you go. Any feedback or if you want any more information on that, let me know. And otherwise, we'll talk to you soon.